Garland Colson here, Captain Time, and in this video we're going to talk about ways to get the most out of your brand new productivity app or software. So you've got a brand new productivity app for your phone or software for your desktop. It's going to solve all your problems, right? It's going to be fantastic. The problem is most people fail for the first time when they try to use a new productivity app or a new productivity software for their computer. And the problem is not usually the fault of the productivity software or app. It's usually us. So here's some tips on how to successfully shift to a brand new productivity app. So the first one is to stop using the old system. Most of us want to transition. We'll kind of go lightly into the new productivity app, but we still have our old systems we use, whether they're paper or different software or different apps. We kind of follow those because we've used those for years or months. So it's pretty hard to just give them up. But we're not fully committing to our new app. We're not testing its full power. We're not really learning it. It's kind of just dipping your toe in the water instead of diving right in. So you need to fully commit, dive right into your new app, stop using the old one. Next is use the documentation and help screen. I have tons of clients that pay me money to figure out how to do things on their new productivity app or software that they could have easily figured out just by trying the help screen or by going through the documentation. So the documentation and help areas are your friend. They've got lots of great ways to show you how to use your new app, your new software successfully. Next is search how to on Google and YouTube, of course, using the name of your software. So if your software is Asana, say how to assign a task in Asana, or how to assign a task in teamwork projects. So whatever your tool is, search for that in both YouTube and in Google. YouTube's great because you'll get how-to videos that will show you often exactly how to do something. And so many times this has saved my butt when I'm trying to learn how to do something, whether it's for myself or for a client. Just searching for how to works great. The next thing is to annoy support people. And I don't mean by annoying is to just, be annoying and send them nasty messages. I'm saying ask them tons of questions, ask them everything. This shows you how much support you're going to get for the software. And it also helps you learn while you're doing it. So every time you're going, well, I wonder how I would do this, pop in a support ticket. Check documentation first, but then pop in a support ticket. And usually these places are great at helping you. And if they're not, then it's good to know that, oh, support's not really good on this app. Maybe I won't fully commit to this app because their support is pretty bad. The next step is to join the community. Most apps that are popular have communities around them. These are usually found on Facebook or Reddit. So look for a subreddit on that topic or a Facebook group on that topic. I use a tool called Notion, and the Facebook community is just amazingly vibrant on Notion and helpful, and they are really quick to give me ideas, send me their examples, their templates. It's just a great helpful community for it. And also if you can't find a good community for a tool, that's another sign that maybe it's not the right tool. And lastly, access training. If you're still struggling with an app, but you know it's the right app, it's got the power, it's just something you need to learn, find a trainer on the topic. I regularly train people on the apps that I use, and often working with me saves them weeks of time that it would have taken them to find out these things in other ways. So that's our video. If you have a brand new productivity app, first step is to commit, stop using the old one, use the documentation and help screens, go online, search for how-tos in Google and YouTube, send lots of support tickets, ask support tons of questions so you can check out how good the support is and learn, join any Facebook or Reddit communities around it, and get some training on it as well. Thanks for listening. Please hit the like and subscribe button to keep me making more videos like this.